Ranchuga kina tulisanga bulu na lumi Oi.
No. Basanga bulu kina 5 kilo wet. Aku tak kain. Alutu.
Engage sudah mana fisheries.
Ja.
It begins when our minister joined the ministry. The project has been with us for quite a few years now. We've been provided with mostly $200,000 to work on this seaweed project. And as we've shared with the communities at the whole, our minister came from the forest industry. The two industries that are now in the sector, which is pine and mahogany, they started off with the department, and now they are both industries. So the minister was inquiring what could be done in fishery which we could develop to become an industry. That is how we identified seaweed. As you've known, the planting of seaweed takes only 6 weeks before it is matured, and the value now is $1 per kg. They were mentioning $1,000, the buyers, $1,000 per ton. And we've just seen out of the 11 clusters, Yasawa is one of them. We are trying to develop this program into clusters rather than individuals. So we've seen today the two villages of Yaqeta and Yaqeta mainly. We were told that just the last 2 weeks they harvested 14 tons, which the villages collected $14,000. So this is an industry that we wanted to develop in fisheries. One thing we have is the marine ecosystem that we have. When the expertise came over to Fiji and see our shores, they liked what we have because of the fresh marine ecosystem that we have, and it could develop into that industry. They were asking us, and we were just saying it started off small and it becomes bigger. And this year we were just provided $200,000, and we are coming with all stakeholders. As we heard, only yesterday the committee for the task force for seaweed met, and that is how we want to develop it into the industry level that we wanted. Considering the cost, the expenditure, and what they get, it's very good profit. It takes 6 weeks. Quite fast, just 6 weeks, rather than waiting for years, as we have in other sectors. Just 6 weeks. So we expect them to it's awareness training. They were identifying some areas that we need assistance, and that is what the ministry will do. We'll go back and right. Onoila was the major supplier of, and we still having Onoila as a cluster. So Vanualevu, Vitilevu, and Yasawa are the main ones, including Onoila. And we wanted to maintain those 11 until it's further developed to other areas. We want to concentrate on those clusters right now. Like the buyers said at the hall, we'll come and knock at your door and give you your money. Instead of going to Lautoka, the buyers come and buy it here. And we've been telling them, unlike other industry where we develop the industry, but the market is difficult. Whereas this one, the demand is so high, we just couldn't fulfill supplying the demand that is required.
So maybe this could also lead to improving the livelihoods of the people in
Exactly, that is one of the main aim of this government, to improve the livelihood. What are some projects that we can bring to them with the resources that they have and develop it, for them not to go to urban areas, stay in the village, and you still get your money rather than going to cities and towns.